Imagine waking up one morning, looking outside and seeing the world as vividly as you did when you were a kid. Every color feels brighter, every detail sharper. It almost feels like a miracle, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to Anna. For years, she struggled with her eyesight, always relying on glasses just to get through the day. She thought losing her sharp childhood vision was just part of getting older. But Anna's story took a surprising turn. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. One afternoon, Anna was walking in the park, surrounded by lush green trees and sunlight peeking through the leaves. She realized she barely remembered what the world looked like without frames perched on her nose. That day, something clicked. She decided to try everything she could to bring back the vision she once had, without surgery or a pile of prescriptions. She started with a simple habit, spending at least 20 minutes a day outside, letting her eyes focus on the green of the trees and grass. You see, looking at greenery doesn't just calm the mind, it helps relax the tiny muscles in your eyes too. Anna added a few more habits: eye exercises, eating more leafy greens, and giving her eyes regular breaks from screens. It wasn't an overnight fix, but after a few months, Anna noticed something incredible. Her eyes felt less tired. She could read signs in the distance, recognize faces across the street, and enjoy sunsets without squinting. The world felt young again. Now Anna barely needs her glasses. She feels free, confident, and connected to the world around her, like she was as a child. It's a change that goes way beyond just eyesight. It's about feeling present, noticing the beauty in every day, and living life in full color. So if you're tired of hiding behind glasses, why not give your eyes a little extra love? Try stepping outside, soaking in that soothing green, and treating your vision with the care it deserves. You might be surprised by what happens. Have you ever had a moment when your eyesight changed, good or bad? Or maybe you've tried something that really helped your eyes? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories and share this journey with you. Thanks for watching. Remember, your vision is a gift. Take care of it and you might just see the world in a whole new way.